me help you.
Get in there, Hart. You can do it. You can do it.
You might want to help him.
Are you
Get in there. You got it. You got it.
There it
That's
is.
your baby.
Get what?
Get in there. What is it?
Like 'em?
What is it? He doesn't know what it is.
Is that a food?
Is that good? What do you think?
Is it a food thing?
It's frozen yogurt dog treats.
Oh.
And I made them. Nice.
Oh.
But maybe he won't love them.
No, he'll like them.
He'll like them.
He just doesn't know what to do.
He's a little overstimulated. There you go.
Is that everything? Was that fun? Oh.
He just has to double check.
You are so funny.
Is that all, Hart?
I think that's it.
Uh-oh. Oh, there's another present, Harley. Get it. Get it.
Okay, open it. He knows what he's supposed to do now. So funny.
Get in there.
I've never seen someone open presents so efficiently.
For not having thumbs, he's very good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. Lori's gonna have some